Most businesses rely on IT systems to keep things running. When it comes to hiring IT support, there are two broad options: ad hoc support, also called the break-fix model, and managed services providers, or MSPs for short. Ad hoc IT is like calling a mechanic when your car breaks down. It's simple and it seems cheap. However, there are serious downsides. When things go wrong, you're stuck. Having a problem fixed under an ad hoc arrangement is highly unpredictable from a cost point of view. Furthermore, the lack of ongoing maintenance means that issues are often more severe than they need to be. Finally, a provider that does not regularly maintain your systems might not know how to fix problems quickly. With an MSP agreement, on the other hand, things are very different. Proactive maintenance, monitoring, patching, and cybersecurity are all managed quietly in the background and on an ongoing basis. Often, problems are detected and fixed before you even know they're there. While an MSP agreement might appear to cost more on the face of it, there are a lot of hidden costs that it avoids. For example, if your staff spend just 15 minutes per day stuck on technical problems, that adds up fast. With Accel IT managing your systems, on the other hand, those issues get resolved quickly or even prevented entirely, saving both time and money. Then there is system downtime. If your IT systems are being properly maintained, downtime incidents will be far fewer and shorter. At Accel IT, our support time is unlimited. You and your team can call us as often as needed without worrying about extra charges. No more hesitating to pick up the phone because of the billable rate. After all, it defeats the entire point of having IT support on hand if you're too scared to call them. With a managed services arrangement, you get predictable monthly costs covering rapid tech support, regular monitoring and maintenance, backup management, and of course, cybersecurity. It's not just about fixing things, it's about keeping everything running smoothly every day. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, you have access to an experienced and dedicated team that knows your business and your systems. We help you plan, scale, and protect your IT investments without the guesswork. Having an MSP is like having an experienced IT team in-house, but at a fraction of the cost of hiring one. If you manage a business and that sounds good to you, give us a call. We'd love to chat.